Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial in Excel. Today we will be exploring the power of conditional formatting to analyze data in Excel more efficiently. With conditional formatting feature, you can easily identify data based on specific criteria. Let's take an example. Imagine you have an online store and you have 20 different products. You have collected data representing 1 week of transaction in terms of units sold. Your goal is to analyze this data to determine which products are performing strongly or poorly on various days of the week. To achieve this, you aim to identify the products that have sold more than 60 units and those that have sold less than 30 units. Here is how you can use conditional formatting to highlight the relevant cells in your data range. Select all the cells you want to format. In the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting. From the drop-down menu, select New Rule. In the New Formatting rule, choose the type of rule you want to apply. In this example, we want to highlight cells that are greater than 60. So select Format only cells that contain. Set the conditions for rule by selecting greater than and adding 60 in the value box. Alternatively, we can use a cell reference instead of a static value. Choose the formatting option you want to apply. You can use bold, highlight, or you can use border. For example, select green to highlight all cells that meet the specified condition. In a similar manner, we can also add a rule to highlight cells that have sold less than 30 units. I have used red color to highlight these cells. After adding all the rules, click OK to apply them. The cells highlighted in green represent the units sold greater than 60, while the cells highlighted in red represent the units sold less than 30. As we have used cell reference in our rule, it gives us an additional advantage. We can analyze our data for different criteria without adding new rule. For example, if we want to view all the cells with sales of more than 80 units and less than 20 units, we can simply update the reference cells in our rule, and our analysis will be automatically updated with the new criteria. Excel's conditional formatting feature provides numerous rules to help you analyze your data more effectively. So give it a try and see how it can enhance your data analysis process. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.